Unlocking English Modal Verbs. Diving into may. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important part of the English language, modal verbs. Specifically, we'll be delving into the world of possibilities and probabilities with the modal verb, may. This verb is commonly used, and knowing how to use it can really elevate your English skills. May is a modal verb. Like other modal verbs, it helps to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. More specifically, may is used to express possibility or permission. Let's have a closer look at both uses. When may is used to express possibility, it suggests that something might happen, but we are not sure. It's like making a guess about a situation. For example, if we say, "It may rain today," we're suggesting that there's a chance of rain, but we're not certain. Note, may can be used for both present and future possibilities. We also use may to ask for or give permission. This use is more formal and polite. For instance, "May I borrow your book?" is a polite way to ask if you can borrow someone's book. The form of may is simple. It does not change based on the subject, so whether you're saying, "I may," "you may," "he may," "she may," "we may," or "they may," the word may stays the same. After may, we use the base form of the verb. For example, "I may go to the party tonight," or "they may arrive late." For the negative form, we use may not. Like, "You may not enter the room." It means you do not have permission to enter the room. To form a question, may is placed before the subject. For example, "May I go to the bathroom?" or "May we start the meeting now?" And that wraps up our introduction to the modal verb, may. Remember, may is a powerful word in English, used to express both possibility and permission. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and using may in your daily conversations. See you in our next lesson.